Today we're making creamy, cheesy chicken Alfredo pasta.
Start with fresh chicken breast, cut into strips.
Season with salt, pepper, and garlic.
Heat a pan with olive oil.
Sear the chicken until golden and fully cooked.
In another pan, melt butter and pour in cream. Garlic and Parmesan cheese for flavor. Cook pasta until al dente. Mix pasta in the creamy sauce.
Top pasta with golden chicken strips. Look at that cheesy pull.
Add extra Parmesan for that perfect finish. Your creamy, cheesy chicken Alfredo pasta is ready.
Chicken and pasta combo, perfect.
Try this creamy chicken Alfredo at home today.